Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's your name
My full name is Sakshi Parihar.
and how may I call you?
You may call me as Sakshi.
Okay, Sakshi, do you work or study?
I work as well as study. I'm a literature student. I'm doing my master's.
Okay, where do you come from?
I come from Delhi, and it is the capital city of India. It is really famous for its old monuments and street food.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
And how many people are there in your family?
Well, there are 4 members in my family, including me, my parents, and my younger brother.
All right, that's all. Let's begin with part one. And our topic of discussion is clothes and fashion.
Okay.
Are you very interested in fashion and clothes?
Yes, I would say that I am very interested in fashion and clothes as I keep following the trends and some influencers on social media to see what is going on in the market, and I try to buy clothes like that.
Okay. What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear comfortable clothes like trousers, flared jeans with crop tops, and sometimes I also prefer wearing ethnic clothes.
Okay. Would you say clothes are expensive in your country?
No, not really. There are some flea markets in my country who are providing clothes at a very reasonable rate. That completely depends on the population what they want to buy. If they want to buy expensive clothes, they can go to malls.
Okay.
Get so.
Is there anything that you used to wear in the past that you don't wear now?
Yes, I used to wear denim shorts when I was younger, but I don't wear those anymore because I don't feel comfortable in those.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I am a shopaholic and I love to shop for clothes. Actually, last week I shopped a kurta and some jeans from Amazon.
Okay. How often do you buy clothes online?
That depends. Sometimes I buy clothes thrice a month when I need, but usually I buy once a month.
Okay. Do you plan to buy any designer clothes?
Yes, when I can afford something expensive, I would definitely love to buy a Chanel cord set because I really love that brand and I'm really looking forward for it.
All right, that's all for part one.
Okay.
Let's begin with part two. That is
Okay.
cue card. Here is the topic. You would have 1 minute to prepare.
Okay.
If you want to make notes, you can.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready for the topic?
Yes.
Yes, please. Start.
Okay, so I have read a lot of books in my lifetime as I am an avid reader and I am a literature student as well, so I have to read a lot of books. But one book which is really close to my heart is A Thousand Splendid Suns, written by Khalid Hosseini. So I read this book about 4 to 5 years ago when one of my friends suggested me to read that book as I just got into reading and I really had a craze. So this book depicts the life of a young girl, Mariam, who grew up in Afghanistan and how she got married to an old man who used to beat her, abuse her mentally and physically. And that old man was double her age, by the way. And the book also tells how she got out of that marriage, how she found her own way into the life, and how she ended toxic things for her. Um, I have read it for 2 to 3 times because it is my favorite book. The book had a tremendous effect on me as I am a very sensitive person, and the book touches very sensitive topics of household abuse and toxic marriages. As a girl, I can understand how hard it is for a girl to get into that sort of relationship and get out of it, because in our country, we do not get to learn about these things that much. I still try to pick up this book sometimes to read the highlighted quotes and some lines from the book, as it really motivates me and inculcates the meaning of, never giving up in life. So I love that book. I can't imagine myself not reading it.
All right. Thank you so much, Sakshi. Now, I would like to ask more questions related to the topic.
Okay.
Do you prefer books or movies?
Well, I am a reader, so I love to read books. I will always prefer books over movies, because movies can never capture the essence of something that books can. You can always smell the books, feel the books, and read the stories deeply.
Okay. Do you think it is important to read the book before watching the movie version of it?
No, it is not important to read the book before watching the movie version, because a lot of people do not have time to read the book. So it is easy for them to just open the movie and just start watching it. But for a person like me, I would definitely like to read the book first.
All right. Do you prefer to read ebooks or printed books?
Well, that's highly subjective, because there are a lot of people in my country who like to read printed books, because printed books have that smell and that physical presence that ebooks can never give. But although ebooks, on the other hand, are very portable, and you can also store a lot of books in just one device. So that completely depends on what people prefer.
Okay. Do you think people need to develop the habit of reading?
Yes, they should definitely include the habit of reading, because not only it enhances the knowledge, but it also improves our vocabulary, our confidence, and our cognitive thinking, and our speaking skills.
Okay. Do you think reading books can make people happy?
Yes, reading books can definitely make people happier, because it sparks a joy in people's life. They can escape from their real life stress and anxiety that they are facing in their boring routine. So, yes, reading books can definitely make them happier.
All right, Sakshi. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.